right, Amelia, you ready to do this thing? Our first founder, Amelia Martin, founder and CEO of Cohort.
Hello. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to be starting us off today. So my name is Amelia Martin and I'm the CEO and founder of Mudrat. So first and foremost, I'm a grad student. I'm getting my degree in plant science right now from the University of Connecticut. And this is not something I ever thought that I was going to do or pursue, but this all happened as a result of my first love, which is making surfboards. So I'm a surfer and a surfboard shaper, have been for the last 7 years, and I absolutely love it. I started making them in my garage, and it was during this that I found out there is a massive problem in the surf industry. So how to make a surfboard, in case you guys don't know. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, you're just going to want to shape that board, the inside. So for the last 80 years, it's been made out of styrofoam. And then you're going to want to glass it. This gives it that hard outer shell. So you're going to glass it with fiberglass and resin. And then at the end, we have our toxic combination that we know as a surfboard. So when I first started, I was making surfboards in my garage, and it wasn't long before I started getting sick. My skin was itchy, and I started coughing, and a quick Google search let me know that it was actually my surfboards that were hurting me. So that styrofoam core, it's only made with 2 chemicals, both of which cause cancer. And not only that, it takes styrofoam over 500 years to decompose, and it spends that time just sitting in a landfill. So giving up on my dream of being a surfboard shaper was not an option. But continuing to hurt myself and the environment wasn't either. So I decided to do something about it. And we are making Mudrat's mushroom cores. So we use mycelium, or the roots of mushrooms, and when you pair that with the right organic material, you get a product very similar to styrofoam. Just like a surfboard, it can be made in 3 easy steps. So you're going to add your mushroom spores into whatever substrate you're using, give it some time to grow, and at the end of 10, 11 days, you have a product that's ready to be shaped and sanded just like a surfboard. So while there are no other mycelium surfboard cores on the market right now, that doesn't mean we don't have competition. So we have a handful of indirect competitors. We have our styrofoam cores, the standard, if you Google surfboard link, that's what's going to come up. We have eco cores, which aren't necessarily sustainable. It's usually just companies recycling styrofoam. And then we have our end product eco boards, which is the end product surfboard. Now our key technology is that we are the only eco-friendly surfboard core going on the market that can be shaped and sanded as precisely as styrofoam can. And we are also going to be the only mycelium technology going on the market that can achieve that too. So our first year market is valued at $11 million. This is looking at just the hobbyist and independent surfboard shapers in the North American region. But we were approached by a key player in the action sports industry with a yearly revenue of $8 million wanting to partner. So we do have the potential to tap on some of that money too with that first year. But looking forward, we want to expand our technology and get into the marine foam and action sports industries, which are both multi-million-dollar industries. So we are a biomaterials company. We are manufacturing an eco-friendly alternative to styrofoam. Our beachhead market is the surf industry, and like I said, in years 3 to 5, we want to expand our technology to get into the marine foam and action sports industries. So where we're going and where we've been, so I am very happy to say that since we became a business a little over a year ago, we've raised over $35,000 in non-dilutive funding. We've completed all of our initial R&D for our prototype. and we've also made some really good connections in the surf industry. So going forward, what we want to accomplish in the next 6 months is securing our long-term funding. We want to do some actual hard spec and lab tests on our materials. And then also we want to redo our customer discovery because it was kind of bad the first time I did it. But I'm also really excited to announce that as of yesterday, my product developer actually emailed me, and our prototype just needs to be shaped in glass. It has been grown, so hooray, good win for us. So the team who's been making this all happen, once again, hi, my name's Amelia. And I'm joined by my product developer, Thomas Wright. He's been an engineer for over 20 years. He's magical, I love him. Newly joined by our CMO, Jack Tarka. He's going to cover all things of our marketing. And also joined by my business advisor, Jax Higgins. So, we're a startup, it's no secret. We need a lot of things. Our big thing that we really want to accomplish tonight and within the next month is connections in the surf industry and in the action sports industries. Of course, we need funding, so we're working on SBIR grants. And then also, if anyone knows anything about financial planning, please reach out to me. We're also looking to build out our